Hey guys, so this is a quick video on how to create a new file within an assignment, or how to upload an existing file to an assignment, or how to attach an existing file to an assignment. So I've got an assignment here which says sample assignment for engineering. I'm going to click on that. You can see here I've got an information sheet which I can't add to, can't edit, can view it, but there's no file for me to work on. So three ways you can do this, and it's always using this option here. So it's the add or create button. Now, if you've got no file and you haven't started your work and you're starting from scratch, you click on this and then scroll down to whichever style of document you want to create. So it's a docs, a slides, or sheet. Choose whichever one. So let's say it's slides. Click on that. The Classroom will create a Google Slides file for you to start working on, and it should automatically open. Okay, so you can then start doing your work on there. Let's say you've already got a file that you're working on. It's on your Google Drive. You've already started it, but it isn't in here, and you want to add it into here. Again, click on the Add or Create button. Go to Google Drive, and if you've worked on it recently, it should be in your recents. But if you need to go find it, go to My Drive or My Google Drive, sorry, and then locate the file. So let's say this was the one. Click on it and click Add, and it will add it in there. Or let's say you've done it on your home computer, it's on your hard drive, and you want to upload it. Again, click on the Add or Create button. Go to File and go to Upload. It should go there automatically, and then select File from Device. And let's say it was this one here. Click Open. It will add it into the upload bar, and then you just click on Upload, and it will add it in there. All right. Now, there isn't sort of a specified amount of files that you need to include in it. I would probably say you just need one, unless of course you're doing pictures of work that you've done by hand, then you may have several. But obviously try and keep it as minimum as possible. And if you do need to get rid of anything, just click on the X there. That will remove it, and you should just be left with the file that you want to hand in as your work. Now, the hand in button, you only click that when it's the deadline day. It's a progress check. You just need to make sure your work is there so that I can see it, and then I can assess it and give you some feedback on how you've done. Hope that helps. If there is any other issues, remember, always email me. Thank you.